If your GMC Acadia turns the key but stays completely silent, we can diagnose the no-start issue in 2 minutes. Statistics show that 80% of no-crank incidents on this platform are simply related to depleted battery or poor terminal connections. Let us break down the diagnostic process to find your culprit. Start by testing your battery voltage and ensuring your terminal connections are clean, tight, and free of corrosion. Beyond the battery, check your starter solenoid and verify that your security system is not locking out the ignition. Intermittent issues often point to a bad ground strap or a neutral safety switch that fails to detect the gear position. Some fixes are simple enough for the driveway, but major wiring harness repairs or ECU faults will require a professional shop. This chart shows the average cost breakdown for these common repairs, keeping in mind that parts and labor vary by your region. If simple checks fail, use a multimeter to verify power at the starter signal wire during the crank attempt. Make sure you have your digital multimeter and basic socket set ready before you begin any electrical work. Safety is the priority, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you start handling the starter motor or electrical connections. Check your connections, test your voltage, and stay safe. Thanks for watching, and let us know your results in the comments.